Well, because of the Omicron variant and the fact that it is so contagious, Dr. Poland says classrooms are the perfect setting for the virus to spread.
News 8 Now's Dua Israr talked to districts all over western Wisconsin today to find out what schools are doing to limit the spread of the virus.
Schools are back in session.
We certainly have some students who have tested positive and reported their status to us today.
And so is COVID-19.
So we've vacillated between 450 to as high as 800 kids that have been out on quarantine.
Schools statewide are continuing safe COVID protocols, trying to mitigate the chances of a student who contracted this virus over break from spreading it at school.
Probably just being much more vigilant about making sure masks are worn correctly and consistently.
Districts are also contact tracing.
Bring us back a negative test or show a negative test before you're able to return to schools.
Holding vaccine drives.
We have one tonight that's a second dose at one of our high schools.
Offering on-site testing.
The testing site specifically designed for School District of Holmen students, families, and staff members.
And requiring kids who test positive to quarantine.
And require some quarantine based on their personal situations with regard to COVID.
COVID cases are on the rise for children. Pediatric COVID hospitalizations have increased by 66% according to the CDC. Gunderson Health System expects to see an increase in COVID cases in the next few weeks.
We want you to get tested and follow the guidance from our public health officials to keep everybody safe.
But schools plan on staying in session. The Eau Claire district will test unvaccinated students who have come in close contact with someone at school every day.
So that we're not putting, many more kids outside of the classroom.
The school district of Holmen hopes its current prevention measures, including masking, will be enough to protect students.
Currently, and all of these mitigation strategies are really designed so that doesn't have to happen for us.
Because the goal of both these districts is to keep kids in class. News 8 Now, Dua Israr.
Now, the school district of Winona sent students home with a rapid test before the breaks and hoped that they'd use it before returning to school today.
West-Salem schools say they will follow the CDC and use shortened quarantine guidelines for staff. The district no longer offers rapid tests for its students.